Hey guys, it's me Joseph from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila. I'm 16, currently taking up mass communications. But recently I've decided to shift sa BS Math dahil na rin sa ito talaga yung gusto ko. I should say that I'm a devoted Catholic, but it doesn't mean na I'm a close-minded person. Actually, my parents have different religions when they're at our age. Mhm. But as they say, love conquers all. Yes, and love really conquered them all. Magiging lima ba naman kami kung hindi love yun na magitan sa kanila, di ba? Siguro sa paniniwala na rin namin nila mami at daddy na if we put aside, no, not really putting aside, but if we respect each and everyone's belief, religions, and traditions, we would create big change. Big changes that may put us beyond our boundaries, beyond our limits. No one can say. Mali natin yung worst enemy natin kahapon, magiging best friend pa natin kinabukasan, di ba? No one can tell. But that's what I believe in.